How many times have you gone to a job and you're like, dang it, I forgot something, or dang it, somebody borrowed a tool, or dang it, my kids took my tools? Well, that happened to me, and I'm going to show you a cool trick where if you forget your wire cutters, you're actually going to be okay. Stay tuned. So I got to go turn off the power. It's in the garage, but I got to sneak by the dog first. This is going to be fun. Oh, crap, he's already awake. Oh, he got tripped up. Woo! I broke free. Woohoo! All right, we're gonna try and sneak by the dog again. Oh no, there he is. Watch out. Look out, dog. Oh, here we go. Oh, oh, go this way. Go the other way. I know you're wrong. Oh, that was a close one. All right, folks, lighting is not the best in here, but we'll see what we can do. So the design on these light switches are pretty cool. Obviously, they're designed to have the minimal amount of materials, so that way it's cheaper for the manufacturer, but also the designers are pretty smart. So I found that they have also included a strip gauge. Strip of 12 gauge wire here, strip of 14 gauge wire here. Pretty cool. I'll try to show you as I do it. We'll see if I can pull this off. So I got 14 gauge wire coming in here. Power's already off. That's why there's no lights. Just gonna slide it in here. Twist around the wire. Give it one more go here. And there you have it. Works like a champ. So if you're on a job site and you forget your wire cutters, no need to fear. You can still strip the wires with this cool little invention that the designers installed on the light switch. All right, hope this helped you. Hope you enjoyed it. Please hit the like and share and consider subscribing.